Hello guys, welcome to Olympus Man Sense. Today we'll talk about this cluster V3 quality judge, this Hitapp. Okay, so I haven't qualified it yet, but I'll try this in real time. Okay, so qualify. Let's get it in 3 attempts and 10 hits in each of this. Okay. Okay, so you'll be given two articles and you have to judge uh, whether it's the same event, the following event, related topic, or the others, right? So let's go to the first article one. That's the global news about fought party leaders debating in English language after French tilt. Okay, that's one. Okay. And the second one, the federal party leaders uh, spar over foreign policy, indigenous issue during only English debate. Okay, so this seems to be like same event. Okay, let's submit. Next, it's how the oath keepers were radicalized. Okay, so this is about written by the Sophia Cal. Okay, this is how the oath keepers were radicalized. Next is oath keepers was guilty of seditious conspiracy by 6 cases. Okay, so these two articles are related events, right? Okay. Next, I've been shaken by those disturbing images. Why everyone is talking about Balenciaga. Okay, this is about Kim Kardashian. Okay, so next article is Kardashian condemns uh, Balenciaga BDSM fallout list. Okay, so it's just about the same event, related event. Okay. Okay, beer, trailer, drug fueled animal goes and murderous rampage real life thriller. It's about the beer, right? And next article, more campaigns can for Ford or with UK will Indian companies for the seed. Oh, this is not related. Others, totally different events, right? Elon Musk is delaying Twitter's paid verification to avoid Apple's 30% cut. Blue, the subscription package with verification and other perks were supposed to launch on Tuesday. Let's get the next event. Taking time. Wi-Fi. Oh no, it's not coming out. So most amplified could be the just Twitter like I say. So they are related event. Submit. Los Angeles poised to mandate student vaccinations in the nation's second largest school district. It tells first article, second is Los Angeles requires students to get COVID-19 vaccines. So they are the related events. Leila Fernandez, Emma Raducanu, Leila Fernandez continued to rise at the US Open, set up all unseeded final. Second article, this Leila Annie Fernandez beats Sabanka US Open. So what's this related event? Arkansas topic. Okay. Wednesday takes the crown from the Stranger Things for Netflix's most in-demand show, Jot. And Wednesday season, there's two articles to maybe like Netflix.